Welcome to all. See, in the last video we have worked out some of the examples of product of matrices. Okay, so we have solved some of the examples. So in this class let us consider one example which may be asked in part D for 5 marks question. Okay, this is a 5 marks question. So let us read the question here. So if A equals 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, matrix B is given 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, and C is given, it is a column matrix 2, minus 2, 3. So calculate, see what are the things here we have to calculate here is AC, BC and A plus B into C. So three things here, AC, BC, A plus B into C. Also verify that, so A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So we have to verify this property. So this is a question carrying 5 marks. So we can expect this question in part D. Okay, let us solve this one. So here first what we have to consider here is, see first we have to verify this property A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So first let us do the sum here, see A plus B, so that is sum of the matrices. So let us start here, consider A plus B, so sum of two matrices. So A is, so we write down the matrix here, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0, plus, so what is our second matrix, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, then 1, 2, 0. See, addition is given. So addition of two matrices means we know we have to add the corresponding elements. So 0 plus 0, that will be 0. Then 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. Then minus 6 plus 1. So see here, minus 6 plus 1, it will be what? Minus 5. Then 0 plus 0, 0. So 8 plus 2, corresponding elements. We have to consider the corresponding elements. 8 plus 2, that is 10. Then 7 plus 1, that is 8. Minus 8 plus 2. See, minus 8 plus 2. So it will be what? Minus 6. So minus 6. Then 0 plus 0, it will be 0. So this is A plus B, sum of the matrices A and B. So next, see here, A plus B into C is there. So now I will calculate that one. So consider A plus B into C. So actually this is our LHS here. Okay, so I will write this A plus B means we have to write this matrix once again. So 0, 7, 8, minus 5, 0, 10, then 8, minus 6, 0. So this is A plus B. See here, C into C. So that matrix C is 2, minus 2, 3. So we can write this 2, minus 2, 3. See, this is multiplication of matrices. So here we have to multiply these two matrices. See, we can start with row as we discussed in our previous classes. Here only one column is given. So start with row. So here what are the elements? 0, 7, 8. Okay, so I will write this here. See, 0 into 2. 0 into 2. Then we have to write the plus sign here. 0 into 2 plus, see, 7 into minus 2. So 7 into minus 2, see, plus 8 into 3. 8 into 3. Okay, 0 into 2 plus 7 into minus 2, then plus 8 into 3. So that one is over. So first row, first column, I have written this one. Next, I have to consider second row and only one column is there. Second row, first column. Then I have to write here, not here. Okay, so I start from this element. Minus 5 into 2 plus, see, 0 into minus 2. 0 into minus 2 plus 10 into 3. Okay, second row, first column is over. Next, I have to consider see the third row is there, third row and first column. See 8 into 2, I have to write it here, 8 into 2 plus, see negative sign, I put the bracket, minus 6 into minus 2, then plus 0 into 3. So you can do like this. Okay, so then I can simplify it here only. So what I will get, 0 into 2, that is 0, plus into minus, minus, so that is 14 plus 24, then minus 5 into 2, that is minus 10, then plus into minus, minus, so 2 into 0, that will be 0, plus 10 3s are 30. Then last row, so we can calculate the last row. So 8 into 2, that will be what, 16, then minus into minus plus, so overall it will be plus, 6 2s are 12, plus 3 into 0, that will be 0. So then, so we can write this simplification here. Okay, see minus 14 plus 24, it will be what, 10 plus 10, then minus 10 plus 30, so it will be 20, then 16 plus 2, it will be what, 28. So let us call it as equation 1. So this is A plus B into C. So actually this was our LHS. Okay, so we have found out this one. See here, so what we have to do here is, so we can calculate next AC and BC. Okay, first AC and BC. So let us consider here. So consider AC. See, A means, I can write the matrix, minus 6 0 8, then 7 minus 8 0. So this is the first matrix into C. So C is what, 2 minus 2 3. Okay, so then, so as we done previously here, see consider the row and one column is there, so I can write this. See 0 into 2 plus 6 into minus 2 plus 7 into 3. Then you consider the second row, minus 6 into 2, see minus 6 into 2 product, then some 0 into minus 2, then plus 8 into 3. Then last row, I can consider last row, 7 into 2. So you can, after practicing, you can write it directly. So minus 8 into minus 2. So minus 8 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3. So then what I will get in the next step here, so I will show it here. Okay, 0 into 2, that is 0, plus into minus, minus 12, then plus 21. Okay, this completes here. See minus 6 into 2, that is minus 12, then plus into minus, minus 2 zeros are 0, plus 8 3s are 24, then 7 2s are, it is 14, then minus into minus, it will be plus only, 16, plus 3 into 0, that is 0. So we can write it here only. So minus 12 plus 21, so it will be what, 9, then minus 12 plus 24, that will be plus 12, then this will be what, 16 plus 14, that is 30. So this is the answer for AC. Okay, so we have calculated this AC, then we have to calculate what, BC. Okay, so let us find out the product BC. Okay, so let us consider here. So consider BC, that is, so what is the matrix B? So 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0, this is B, and C is 2 minus 2 3. So this is the multiplication here. See here first row, and so here also one column is there. See 0 into 2, plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3. So it is over. Then you consider second row, 1 into 2, then plus 0 into minus 2, plus, see, 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3. So that will be 2 into 3. Then you consider last row here, 1 into 2, see, 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3. Okay, so then you can write the step here. See, 2 into 0, 0, then minus into plus minus 2, then plus 3 into 1, that is 3. So you can close the bracket here. 1 into 2, 2, then minus 2 into 0, that is 0, plus 6. Then 1 into 2, 2, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, plus, see, 3 into 0, that will be what? 0. Then it is, see, minus 2 plus 3, it will be 1, 6 plus 2, it is 8, then 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. So it is BC. Okay, so AC and BC, we have calculated AC and BC. So next, what we want according to the question, so we have to find out AC plus BC. Okay, let us consider here. So consider AC plus BC. See, AC we have already calculated this, BC just we have calculated here. So I can substitute both the answers. So what is our AC here? See, so AC is, so this one is AC 9, 12, 30. So I can substitute here. So let me write this 9, 12, 30 plus, so this one is BC is here 1, 8 minus 2. So let us add these two column matrices. Okay, so corresponding elements are added. So 9 plus 1 it is 10, 12 plus 8 it is 20. See, 30 plus of minus 2, 30 plus of minus 2, that is 30 minus 2, that will be what? 28. See, 28. Let us call this as equation 2. So now, okay, 10, 20, 28. So now comparing 1 and 2. So let us compare equation 1 and 2. So this is our equation 2. So what was our LHS? See this, A plus B into C. This is 10, 20, 28. So this is our equation 1. So 10, 20, 28. Then our RHS, that is AC plus BC, that is equal to 10, 20, 20. So comparing 1 and 2, we get the desired result as A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So this is a problem for 5 marks question. So in this way you can work out this problem. Okay, so let us consider the question here. See, question was A is equal to 067 minus 608 9 minus 80. Then B is given, C is given. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So A plus B into C is equal to AC plus. So we verified this property. So this is a question carrying 5 marks in part D. Okay, so let us continue some more problems in the next video.